Okay, so guys, this Rubik's Cube may look sharp, but it's not. So guys, this is called the Axis Cube, and I just got this Rubik's Cube from Amazon. But guys, the reason why this is not sharp, because this is not. So guys, the reason why this is not sharp, because this can shapeshift, but then this shapeshifting is not it's not a knife. So this is the reason why it's not sharp. And then the second thing why it's not sharp, because it's not gonna make your fingers bleed. So it's not a knife, and it cannot make your fingers bleed. But when you slice a finger on your knife, it can bleed, but then this cannot. That's weak. Okay guys, thanks for watching, bye.